Good evening, friends. Today we will discuss geography topic, that is latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes and longitudes. In this we will discuss what is parallel of latitudes and what is meridians of longitudes, and as well as globe and equator. Okay. These things we will discuss. On the globe, how to represent the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn and Arctic zone and Antarctic zone, frigid zones. We will discuss. First, in this globe, we all know the globe. Globe is a true model. It is a true model which represents miniature form of Earth's surface. Which represents miniature form of Earth's surface. Earth's surface. On Earth's surface, so many plants, mountains, plains, as well as oceans are there. Okay, we all can represent in the globe. And all can represent in the globe. And second thing, this latitude and longitude is used for locating a one particular point, locating a certain point on the Earth's surface. These are used for locating a certain point on the Earth's surface. This is the globe. This is the globe. Okay, this is the globe. The globe. This is the equator, an imaginary line on the globe which divides the Earth's surface into two halves. The upper half of the is called equator. It is called equator. It is the 0 degrees. The 0 degrees. The upper half of the portion towards the north is called northern hemisphere. It's called northern hemisphere. The lower half is, that is southern hemisphere. South side hemisphere. You see, this is the map. North, south, east, west. Okay. Here two poles are there. North pole and south pole. North pole NP and south pole. Okay. The equator, it is an imaginary line on the globe which divides two halves the Earth's surface. The upper part, that is towards the north pole, it is called northern hemisphere. Towards the south, it is called southern hemisphere. Now, this parallel of these imaginary lines towards the north pole, parallel of these imaginary lines towards the north pole is called the parallel circles of imaginary circles towards the north is called, towards the south is called latitude. Parallel of latitudes. These are the horizontal lines. Okay, horizontal means with respect to equator, these are the parallel towards the poles. It is called parallel of latitudes. Equator we treated as a 0 degrees latitude. 0 degrees latitude. Okay, towards the north pole at 23.5 degrees. 23.5 degrees north is the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer 23. Okay, Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degrees towards south, it is Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, Tropic of Capricorn. Now here 66 degrees of 66 and of 66 and of north, it is the Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle. 66 and of south. 66 and of degrees south, it is Antarctica Circle. This is the freezed zone. Freezed zone. This is the temperate zone, southern temperate zone. The northern temperate zone, torrid zone. About these heat zones, I will tell in the next class. Now, today we will just identify the Arctic Circle, that is 66 and half degrees north and 66 and half degree south, that is Antarctica towards the South Pole. Okay, and final the last one is longitude. Longitude is the actually these are the meridian longitudes, vertical lines. These are the vertical lines. Grid. If you take the grid, this is the grid. Vertical meridian of longitudes, and it's the horizontal parallel of latitudes. It is a grid. We can identify the any point, any place on this earth surface. Okay, if you want to identify the any place, one latitude is not enough to locate. Even though the vertical lines means how far to the east or the west from the north pole to south pole, while going from north pole to south pole away from the east or the away from the west, how far the location is. For those lines are called longitudes. Those lines are called meridian of longitude. Then for latitude, equator is the reference point. Then for the longitude, what is the base reference point? Then all the countries decided that key Greenwich, the whatever the longitude, the meridian of longitude is going passing toward through the Greenwich, it is as a standard meridian. It is a standard prime meridian. It is called the prime meridian. 0 degrees. Prime meridian 0 degrees. 0 degrees. Prime meridian 0 degree. It is the actual reference point which is decided by the British Royal Observatory. Okay. These are the few points about the latitude and longitude. In the next class, we will discuss heat zones, about the heat zones on the globe. With globe diagram, we will discuss this one. Thank you.